In this video, I will talk about how to make your relationship last. Many individuals believe that romantic relationships should be simple and straightforward. They believe it is supposed to be a walk in the park. The reality is, relationships are not easy. If it were easy, everybody would have a stress-free relationship. If you have ever been in a romantic relationship, you know that it is not always easy to find the right advice on how to improve your relationship. Most of the material available digitally is either too broad or too narrow. It doesn't give us the right advice, or it doesn't address our particular situation. On one hand, general relationship advice will tell you to be honest and open with each other or spend time together often. It is a fantastic idea, but it will not work for everyone. On the other hand, specific relationship advice will tell you to never go to bed angry or never go on a vacation without your partner. These are also good pieces of advice, but they don't apply to everyone either. We have compiled some great advice from around the web that is not too general and not too specific. Keep watching because in the next section, I will be discussing the 3 pillars of relationships and how to make relationships last. Relationship advice is a rising interest for most people. What they are looking for is advice on how to cultivate lasting friendships and romantic attachments. Here are the top 3 things you should consider in a relationship. Everyone wants to be in a relationship, but few people know how to find a good one or how to keep it. The great news is that once you learn how to find a perfect relationship, you'll never have any issue finding another good one. The most difficult thing is figuring out what makes a relationship work. Relationships are built on 3 pillars: communication, trust, and respect. When 2 individuals get into a relationship, they desire each other to be entirely open and honest. They want their partner to know them inside and out, and they want their partner to communicate with them about. In the next section, let's talk about the importance of having a meaningful relationship. It's very important that you have a meaningful relationship with your significant other. Everyone wants to have a relationship where they never fight and are always happy, but that is impossible. We need to understand what a meaningful relationship is and how we can achieve it. A meaningful relationship requires both action and reflection. It is necessary to lay the groundwork for a long-term partnership. As a team, you must be able to converse and develop trust. Keep in mind that maintaining healthy interpersonal connections is a continuous process. In the end, if you put in the effort, it will all be worth it. We understand the pain of having a relationship with someone who doesn't get you. If you have ever been in a position like that, you know how irritating and lonesome it can be. But as our relationship evolved and became more meaningful, we started to learn about each other's habits and preferences. And as a result, we now have a deeper understanding of one another than anybody else. We don't expect everyone to have the same level of closeness as us, but it is possible to develop a more meaningful relationship with your significant other. There are several ways to improve your relationship with your partner. Some of these are easy to implement, while others will require a significant time commitment from both parties. When done together, however, the rewards can be enormous and long-lasting. If you enjoy watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.